Good afternoon, guys. Back at again with another vlog. So we ran out of firewood, so we had to go. Me and Nancy wanted to get some firewood, and of course the stuff I got was wet, so ain't gonna work. So we made some. Got back, made some hot dogs. I'm making hot dogs now, cooking them. And then probably after that, go swimming. Hopefully the water ain't too cold. All right, guys, about to eat.
You look like about to eat.
Bon appetit.
Hello, sir. Would you like a hot dog?
Yeah.
1 second. Oh, I forgot his fork. You like the burnt ones?
You got too much time on your hands.
Okay, wait a minute. You want ketchup with that?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. He got the ketchup for you. Ready?
Oh, stealing ketchup from Hotspot.
Wait a minute. I think I got some mustard back here. You want some mustard too?
Yeah.
No, wait. He gonna get the mustard. He shoots it from the back. Woo! You want jalapenos?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't got none of those. We're gonna have to go to the store for that.
All right.
Mayonnaise?
No.
Oh, okay. Enjoy your lunch.
Yeah, well.
Get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana. Got the lights tonight, get high and make noise. We might drink a little too much whiskey. We might have a little too much fun. She's already gone away once. If we don't go on, what difference does it make, boys?
I'm over here. I don't know what this is called. Cross stitching. He's chilling. So pretty out here.